Let's take a look at some of the things you are seeing on a client main screen. Now, to get to the client's main screen, I can either search for a customer here, or I can go to a customer's profile from my recently accessed client section. When you search for a client, the very first screen that it's going to bring you to is this customer's client main screen. So let's take just a minute to talk about the client main screen. Now, here at the top is just my basic information about this customer. So first insured information, second insured information. If in the future I wanted to add a new quote for this customer, maybe I'm quoting a different policy type for them, I can just add a new quote to Quote Control. That's going to bring up all of this customer's information in a new quote for me so that I do not have to enter in all of this information again. You can email or text directly from the client main screen if you'd like, and then you also have access to your email templates. So if there's a certain message that you find yourself sending regularly, you can save that message as a template. That way you're not retyping that email or that text, every single time. So this is my personal lines tab with all of this customer's personal lines policies that they have with my agency. This is my commercial lines tab with all of my customers' commercial lines policies they have with this agency. My life and health tab. This is my suspense tab. This is going to show me all of the suspenses ever created for this customer. It will show me completed and uncompleted suspenses. This is my premium finance tab. So if you are setting up this customer with a premium finance company, you can keep track of that information here. This is my claims tab. You are able to track claims in Genesis. If you are processing claims on behalf of your insureds, you can come into their profile in the management system, add a new claim, obtain all of their information, and then handle it with the carrier from there. This is my contacts tab. You can keep basic information about each client, each insured here at the top. But then if there are any other contacts, so any other people that are associated with this profile or any policy with this customer, you can add their contact information here. So this is a good place to keep, any other insureds on the policy that you haven't listed on the client main screen, children, etc. And then this is my linked customers tab. So if I do have another policy or another customer that's linked with this customer, I can keep track of that information here. This could be, a husband and wife situation, something like that. So you can link different customers with different profiles as well to keep track of, who's connected with who. Now at the bottom here, you can enter any notes to this profile. You can process receipts from the client main screen as well as inside of a policy. And you also have the availability to store all of your documents on the client main screen as well. So that's an overview of the client main screen. Let us know if you have questions.